back to my YouTube channel in Shibu, and once again you're most welcome in this video and I hope that you all are keeping fine. I'm also Ezrain as the right. Okay, so many times you might have watched my videos many times. Maybe whenever I had uploaded my video on my channel, always time you were getting background that I made it videos in garden, I mean corn garden. So it is the right things that time I was interplanting, and this time corn has come out. So that's why right time it's very difficult. We are facing much problems or difficulties. The morning time or entire day we stay here because due to birds they attack. So that's why always time we have to make them birds fly from our field. Okay, so maybe yesterday I didn't come in the morning time. So that time actually there was a very cold season yesterday, so that's why I couldn't come. So when after 10 a.m. that time I visited to my cornfield. So that time I saw, oh my god, many, the tea of corn was destroyed. Okay, was destroyed. So that's why today entire day I'm here. I have been here since morning. So till now also I haven't visited. And meanwhile maybe at noon time, that time I was given food. My father, he brought for me at around 12 o'clock that time. Okay, so this time, but we can use chemicals or medicines for protect our corn, but those are medicine is very danger for birds. So that's why we don't use those are medicines. But finally, because we got forested, I am forested right now. That always times, sometimes not our field where is located, that one is not in a place. Some fields are there and some fields are there. I mean in a one place I can say that 1 acre like that. So different field is there. So sometimes I go there, running I go there, and that place also I will have to cover all places. So entire day as I told you, I was here, but I was not sitting, I was not standing. Always time I was walking. So this time it's very difficult to take care of corn. Okay, so as I told you, this time I can say that this time very difficult to do any different work. If you don't come in your field, so definitely your corn will be destroyed by birds. Okay, so it is a passive, but rarely I use by word. By, it is a conjunction verb preposition. Okay, let it be there. Maybe I forgot it. That's the right time I unable to tell you that it is a pronoun. It is a preposition verb conjunction. Okay, so as I told you that this time what I am doing, and definitely there would someone. So definitely I would talking to someone, but it's okay because I know that when we do some work, so that time nobody would be there with you. Okay, nobody helps you. So but I don't have any issue that why they don't join me, It's okay, it's my field, so I will have to take care. I take care, and maybe after 10 days continuously I will have to visit my field. Okay, so continuously, but it's my 8 days remaining. 8 days remaining to visit my working place. So after later on I would be in different place. I mean in Kerala. Okay, I am in Kerala, so I will not have to do this kinds of work. I mean field work. There always time I will have to take care to cows. Okay, So like that, it's okay. But morning time, actually morning time, the entire day I haven't made videos. I was thinking that which this topic I will have to take, but this time my mind doesn't work properly. What I will have to speak, where which kinds of techniques I should give to you. But it's okay. What I am understanding, what I am observing about me, that it's better to speak, touch with this language, then only I will be able to speak English. If I don't do practice, so I will not get it any fluency. I will not be able to speak English. So that's why always time I am trying to make my mouth speak. Okay, otherwise I can forget my fluency. Okay, so you can see behind me there is a corn. It has come out. So I would like to show you that how they attack. So suppose that not suppose that, see, you must be getting this one. This one is a corn tree. Okay, corn plant. So see, corn plant, it is a leaf. They birds, whenever they will eat, so this part they will not eat. Birds will eat inside this plant. There is a seed of corn. So that one seed they will attack. I mean, they will dig it with their nose. Okay, with their mouth they will dig it here. See, they have dig it here also, and here also. You must be getting here and here. So the inside they will remove that seed from the leaf. Okay, and from the soul they will eat. Okay, so after that eating, it means that very difficult to live long time. This one corn automatically it will dry. Okay, so that's why we are protecting this time, protecting our field, our corn. Okay, but yesterday night my father, what he was telling me, I had been told that we will give medicine in our cornfield. So that one medicine, earlier I told you that which one medicine. Actually that one is medicine, corn medicine, especially for worm, for birds, for any kinds of protect, I can say that protect medicine. So that one medicine we discussed at night time. So that time my father was told, I had been told that we will bring. So that one medicine, it would be cost, how much cost will be? I think 5 or 600. So we will have to, that one medicine we will have to pour as well, mix it with water after that spray it. Okay, so if anybody after giving the medicine, if bird eats the corn, they will die it. Okay, so definitely that's why we decided that one medicine also good for us if we see from the corn, because we are a farmer. So always we know that how we have put it, how we had put it our effort before cultivating, before harvesting, before preparing this field, and how much we spended money and fertilizer as well, cow run. So I know that which kinds of effort I have put it. So for protect my corn, so I will have to bring that one medicine as well, pour it entire the corn field. Okay, otherwise if I don't protect, so very difficult to get later on after 4 months I can't get it any benefit from the corn. Okay, so like that. Okay, is as I told you that it's my 8 days. I mean that I'm at home 8 days. From tomorrow 7 days. So 8 days, within 8 days I'll have to make a lot of videos as well, try to communicate with someone. But since when I started living at this village, so I haven't communicate with any person. But if there would be anyone, if there was someone, so definitely I would have done several times, communicate with that person, but there is no one who knows English, and they must have knowledge, but I can't say that they would have knowledge or not, because I was not asked as well, I was not told, because they watch my videos. Even though these days also I was not told, I was not asked in this language. Okay, so I'm pretty sure that I know that this time I'm fumbling, I'm not getting proper exact word, which one word I'll have to use, I need to use it, I should use it, but it's okay. But at least I'm trying to make it better, make it my sentence in a categorical manner. And till now, bye bye, have a fun, take care. And if you watching my videos very first time, so kindly subscribe my channel, and whenever I try to upload on my channel, you'll get a notification of my videos as well. Keep supporting, share with your friend. Till now, bye bye.